Ria here? After 5 years? I'll see. Who will you got better than me?
I will find 100 times better than you. And the person who ruins my self respect daily, na, I don't want to live with that kind of person. Living with a person like you, it's better I will stay alone with my daughter.
Then go. Live with whoever you want to. You will get 100 times better than me. Who is he? Because of him, she is selling stuff on the road. I think he must be someone who makes her to do all these things. Let's go. Let's buy some stuff. How much is the guava?
Sir, 100 rupees kg.
So expensive. And they look stale.
No, sir, they are not expired. Maybe it's lot of heat today, na? That's why they seems like that.
No. It's not because of the sun. I think they are 2-3 days old.
I myself in the morning went to market and brought them. They are absolutely fresh. You do one thing, you eat one melon. If you won't like it, so don't take it.
No. Let it be.
Sir, please take it now. If you will buy something, then I will be able to buy medicine for my daughter. She is not well.
What happened to your daughter?
She has so much fever since 2 days. I was not able to sell anything, so I was not able to bring medicine for her. If you will buy something, so I will give her medicine in the evening.
You do one thing. Give me all of these.
All?
By the way, tell me one thing. Your daughter is not well, so it's your husband's duty to get her a doctor or give you money.
Husband. I got divorced from husband 5 years back, sir. Okay, by the way, they are 100 rupees kg. For you, na, I will give them in 80 rupees. So it's 800 rupees.
No. You don't make it 80. Give me in 100 rupees only. Take this, 1000 rupees.
No, sir. I don't need arms. I won't have to beg. That's why I'm selling melons here.
Such a selfless woman like you, your husband must have done something wrong. That's why you got divorced.
He was very good. Just our time was not good.
Time can change.
You?
Rev, what have you done to yourself? I never imagined that I'd meet you like this.
So, what did you thought? I will go and get married to someone else and will be happy? I loved you. How can I get married to someone else? I never wanted to take such kind of decision in my life, because of which my daughter will have problem. She had to suffer after some time.
Forgive me, Ria. You asked me for one thing and I couldn't even give you that. And because of my ego, I forget your love, even my daughter. Ria, forgive me, please.
Now, what's the use? Everything is finished long ago.
It can start all over again.
Why you haven't got married?
I didn't meet anyone like you. Whoever I went to meet, I think about you and compare her with you. And I don't think I can find a better girl than you. Will you marry me again?
Yes, I will marry you back. But on one condition. Till now also, I want the same thing. My self-respect. Respect in our relation.
I won't do any mistake. I'm sorry. I love you.
I love you too.
Take me to my daughter.
Come with me.